This guy's just sitting here. So guys, anyways, I'm getting gas. We're gonna go hit GameStop dumpster and maybe another dumpster after that one and see what we can find. Right now we're fueling up at the gas here. You guys can see.
Yeah, that's a cop car.
There's two cops in front of us, guys. Can you see them or no?
What about that other white car?
I don't know. Okay, guys.
Wait a minute, that's a new store.
Gonna hit T-Mobile, GameStop. See what, maybe Shoe Carnival. Back there.
Yeah.
Just pull over here, I'll walk. Want to see any cameras?
No.
Oh, there's cars over here. I'll be right back.
That's what I'm saying.
If I say come here, you come. Okay guys, I don't know whose dumpster this is. Cardboard. Nothing in that one. Hair. Got some hair. So far nothing good, guys. Let's see what's in here. Alright, hold on, let me out. There's cameras on Walmart. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's a little bow and arrow, guys. See it? There's a little toy there. Oh, shoot the camera. There's some metal and stuff. That looks like something right there, too. Okay guys, we got a mask. Let's see what that's all about. See what we got over here. I hit the camera, so I hope you guys can see that, okay? It's a bunch of dirty mattresses. See what we find, you know. Garbage. Yuck. Yuck. Could use one of these. Okay guys, not much in those dumpsters. We did score this. We got the zombie outfit or whatever it is. I don't know. I'm not messing with this stuff. That stuff is off limits. Another dumpster on the corner. See what's in these Walmart dumpsters. Oh, grease. Can't see in there. More grease. Food. Yucky. Yuck. Yeah. Food. These are Walmart dumpsters, guys. They won't allow you to pick in them. And they hide everything in the dumpsters. Okay. Liquor store. A whole bunch of tickets in there.
Even the 2019s, all price to move. The 19 River Gas.
Ah, that's alright. Just let them look. Alright guys, there's Starbucks. We got some good finds. We're gonna go ahead and see what we got when we get home. And we'll check everything out there, alright? At the end, a girl came out. She started saying something. I just waved hi, got in and left. Yeah. Guys, we got something really cool from Party City. Once I get home, we're gonna open this up. Looks like some kind of mask or decoration for outside. This is gonna be awesome. This is a cool find. Couple more, guys. That's it. Let's just take a look. Maybe there's a Christmas tree. We need a tree. Oh, shoot, guys. There's another freaking TV, but the cord is cut. Cord is cut, guys. What the heck is in this box here? That's good. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go over what we found. I can't believe it. We got Chuck E. Cheese tickets. There was a whole freaking box, guys. I should have grabbed the whole box. I know, look at this. Are these game tickets? I think so. I don't know what these would be used for. I have no idea, guys. To win something? I have no idea. I mean, I should have took the whole... Okay, so Chuck E. Cheese. We got a cord. Not sure what kind of cord, but a cord is a cord, right? We'll throw that right there. Got a paint roller. This one is good. Because you could screw something in here like a broom handle or something. Like that. It's an old broomstick I got. So, you know, that's not bad. You know what I could even do with this, guys? Make something to pick garbage with. Pick in the dumpsters with. You know what I mean? Why not? Okay, guys, let's go over the other stuff. I could have scored a whole box of tickets. Somebody probably cashed in. I don't know. Save that for last. We got a nice pan, guys. Look at this pan from Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheese. Let's see if it's metal. It's aluminum, guys. That's aluminum. Nice aluminum pan. Magnet. Okay, it's aluminum, guys. Let's see if there's metal in the little curvature here. There's metal there, but nothing here, guys. Awesome. Not bad find. Nice aluminum pan from Chuck E. Cheese. Okay. Yeah, Chuck E. Cheese freaking stickers, guys. Look at this. Must be 1,000 freaking tickets here. Could have got the whole freaking box. Chuck E. Cheese, man. Is that a mouse? Let's check it out. Yeah. You guys see that? Okay, let's get on with the good find for the day, guys. Brand new, unopened merchandise. And there was more, guys. There was more. I had to act quick. If I go back there when they close, I'll clean out the dumpster. But, let's tear into the zombie bag. Zombie peeping tree hugger. Zombie peeping tree hugger. Guys, I just busted it apart. Let's see what's in here, man. This is awesome. Oh, check that out, guys. You see that? Let me put it over here. You guys see that? That's what's in there, guys. All things. This thing is in there. I'd rather have the mummy. But this thing looks crazy. What the heck? They had witches, hats and stuff in there. I mean, this is crazy, guys. Let's set it up on a tree. Okay, guys, so you ready to see this freaking scary thing I found in a dumpster? Let's go take a look, guys. What the heck's this guy peeking at us around the corner for? Oh, he's got a dent in his nose. That's from somebody going, "You don't scare me, dude." That's what we got, guys. It looks like he's peeking around the tree. This would be on a tree here, but it's too big. And it looks like he's peeking around the tree, you know, especially if we go this way. Kind of like this. Looks like he's looking this way, see? I don't know. That's pretty cool. Look at the top of his head there. And it just straps in. It's got these little straps here. That you could just strap it onto something or whatever. It looks like he's holding on, you know, to the tree. You just sink a screw right through here. Boom. So that's pretty cool, guys. I don't know what this is all about hanging down here. I don't know. That's what we got in the dumpsters today, guys. Awesome. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Oh, whoa. Well, that looks even creepier right there, guys. What the heck is this thing? Boom, boom. Oh, it's okay, guys. It's just plastic. There it is, guys. Here's the hands. One hand there. There's another hand on the other side of the, I guess that's the body.